Now what we're gonna do is have to call this. You already seen the video of that, so we're gonna use this one right here. Okay. Sorry. This is 2001 Honda Integra Type-R. I'll show you the information on that too. I gotta retry that again because I ain't get the 0 to 60. Alright. Okay, it is 0 to 60 in 7 seconds or over. Well, if you guys are counting seconds, you correct me. I'm gonna show you all the details of the car. See, I did that right there. I did that. It wasn't there, and I had the Type-R logo. So I went to decals and did that and that. I don't know if you guys like it or not, but I thought it was pretty cool. You guys can let me know. We're going to do a dyno run, like I did on the last one of my younger ones here. Let's turn this thing up. It is 5-speed gearbox. Give it a run. So the top speed would be 176 miles per hour. I guess you could say it's a little bit faster than I did. I didn't like it. I don't know. I don't remember, but yeah. It is 412 horsepower with 280 pound-feet of torque at 6,200 RPM. I guess it's that's my little right there. See, I did that. And then later on, I'll show you this one here. Thanks for watching.